Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. So this video is about stepper component. So what is stepper component is basically in the not in the native form UI we have a process flow. Okay, so how you can achieve same thing in the workspace. So you can do that via the stepper component. So I will show you how you can configure and how you can add the stepper component in the workspace. So this is my workspace and in the UI builder I have already opened that page. Okay, here we will add the stepper component. Okay, let's add it. Stepper. So let's add it. So here you can see all the stepper component is added, and these are the default stages of this stepper. So you can control this as well. So in the items, these are defined, and in the selected item is basically used which one should be highlighted. Okay, so let's relabel it. So I will show the steps according to the state value. Okay, so in the state we have new, and for the new I am giving the backend value is 1. Okay, so let's say when you have to highlight this new stage, so for that the backend value is 1. So in the selected item you have to pass 1, then only that will be highlight. Okay, so let's change this. So this is updated, new. Let's add on hold here. Okay, on hold. Okay, in for on hold I'm giving 3 because I believe in the state field the backend value of this on hold choice is 3. For in progress it is 2 if I'm not wrong, and for complete we will mark this with the closed. So closed backend value is 7 I believe. So yeah, for the closed it is 7, and for in progress it is 2, and for on hold it is 3. So if I come back, complete will be map with the closed backend value. So whenever in the state field value will be changed to closed, in that case this complete will be highlight. Okay, first let's save it and I will show you how it looks on the form. Let's reload. I think need to reload again. Okay, it's still saving. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, and on the configuration we have some others configuration option as well. In case of you wanna hide numbers, you wanna make um, your process flow only read only, and if you wanna show completed count or not, or if you wanna resize or relabel position, you can do all those stuffs from here only. Okay. So here you can see that process that stepper is added and it's showing all the updated stages. Okay, so right now no stage is highlighted because we have not set any value here. So let's say we wanna highlight new. Okay, by default. So in that case we need to pass the ID of this new item. Okay, so that is one. If I do this and let's save. So once this will be saved, so this new one will be highlight by default. Okay, every time you will come to this page. So right now that is hard coded, so that's why it will always highlight this. So we have to highlight these stages based on the state value. So how we can do that, or basically how we will make that selected item field dynamic. So I will show you that as well. So here you can see the new is highlighting. Why? Because of we have set the value to 1. Okay, now we have to make this thing dynamic. How we can do that? So we need to go to the data binding. In the data resource, we have a form controller which is responsible for giving all the data related to the form. Okay, so here we have this form. Under the form, we will have fields. In fields, we have to select the state field because on that field value, we're going to make this process flow dynamic. So in the value, we will map. Okay, let's apply and let's save it. See here you can see that has been mapped. So let it be saved first. Okay, it's done. Let's reload. So now whenever I will change the state, the their respective stages will be highlighted. So currently it is new, that's why new is highlighted. If I go to in progress, so see in progress is highlighted. If I go to on hold is highlighted. Okay, and if I go to closed, in the closed we mapped with the complete, so the complete one will be highlight. So right now it is not visible because of this last one is showing as a disabled, so we can configure that from the configuration as well. So this is how you can configure a step, and you can map this with any of the field you want. Okay, so currently I showed you based on the state. Okay, if you think you wanna change this or basically highlight these after the form is saved. Okay, so in that case, how you can achieve that? In the what's that? On the form component. Okay, in the events you will have a one event mapping called form save. Okay, so whenever the form will be saved, you can do anything you want. So we how we will map that? Okay, so we have to create a one client state parameter. Client state parameter will be mapped to the stepper selected item field. So on the form change we will update the client state parameter, and client state parameter will be mapped to the selected item. So this is how this is going to be work. If I search save, why it's not updating? Oh, yeah, this is the one form saved. So on the form saved, what I will do, I will set a client state parameter, and client state parameter will be mapped to the selected item, this one. Okay, and other than this, these are the some extra configuration you can do from here if you wanna hide numbers. Okay, just make it true, save it, and if I come back, okay, let it be saved first. Okay, it's done. Okay, here you can see the numbering has been removed. Okay, other than this, let's say, okay, let it select first. So let's say you just wanna make these stages read only. So you can do that via this checkbox. Okay, otherwise, these are the clickable events. Okay, so let's say you have clicked on new. So in that case, you wanna show in a view which is for new state. Okay, and let's say if you are clicked on hold, so in that stage you have a different view. So you wanna apply that. So how you can do that? So on this stepper, you have to go to the events, and here you need to add a event. It's taking time. So there is a event stepper selected item set. So whenever any step will be selected, in that case, this event will be trigger, or inside that you can perform any action you want based on your requirement, what you want to do. So this is how you can utilize these events as well. Okay, so but in that case, this read-only checkbox should be unchecked. Okay, so there are others thing as well. You can configure the size, you can position the labels. Okay, you want to show on the bottom, top, right, these labels, it's referring these things. So currently it's bottom. If you want to show it on the top, like above this circle, or you want to show it on the right side, so those thing also you can configure here. Okay, okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.